All right, y'all, so right here in the Central Florida Creek, looking around, found this 20-million-year-old extinct white shark. Look at that, it is pretty. I also found another one, back-to-back sieves. Haven't pulled this one out. Let's check her out. And that's, oh, it's missing the root, but that's still pretty. Look at the pattern on that, man. 2 back-to-back, and we still gotta go through this. There could be a third in there, you never know. Let's check the back out on these. Oh, that one's real pretty, look at that. Look at that pattern.